Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to second session of trigonometry. In this session, I am going to explain previous examination solution with tricks. Friends, in these 20 questions, definitely you will get each and every question you have to solve in the exam. I assure it. Now let us see the question. If sin A equals to cos B, then A plus B. What is the A plus B? I told you in the first part. When sin theta equals to cos theta, when tan theta equals to cot theta, when sec theta equals to cosec theta. Simple, 45 degree only. So that sin A cos A, when it is equal, 45 degree. So sin 45 cos 45 will be same. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. 45 45, A plus B. A value 45, B value 45. 45, 45, nothing but 90. So answer is 90. A plus B equals 90. That's it. Next. The value of 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta. Do the cross multiplication. Simple. 1 into 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta plus 1 into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Boy, A plus B to A minus B in the form of A square minus B square, which means 1 square minus cos theta whole square. So plus cos theta minus cos theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1 2. 1 square value 1, cos theta whole square value cos square theta. 2 by 1 minus cos square theta, nothing but sin square theta. You know 1 by sin square theta value cosec square theta. 2 into cosec square theta. Where it is here? This is your answer. 2 by sin, 1 by sin square. 1 by sin means cosec. 2 into cosec square theta. This is your answer. Okay. Next. The value of cos 45, cos 30, cos 90, cos 0. 0 answer. Direct answer. How do you know? Very simple. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 90, 0. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Here 0 will be there. The in product, 1 0 will be there. Total product answer will be 0. Okay. Na? Next, the value of tan square theta, tan power 4 theta. So small number we have to take as a common. Tan square theta should take the common. Then we are getting inside value 1 plus tan square theta. If you take the common, tan square theta 1 tan square theta into tan square theta, tan to the power of 4 theta. You know very well from the second identity, second square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From this, tan square theta equals second square theta minus 1. 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta equals second square theta. These two applications we have to substitute here. So tan square theta value nothing but second square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta value second square theta. You have to product it. Second square theta into second square theta, second to the power of 4 theta minus 1 into second square theta, nothing but second square theta. So our final answer, second to the power of 4 theta minus second square theta. This is your answer. Okay, got it? Next, if x equals a cosec theta, y equals a cot theta, then which of the following is true? I told you cosec to cot one relationship will be there. What is the relationship? Yes, third identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Means we have to do squaring on both sides. What we have to get? X square is equals a square cosec square theta. AB whole power m, a power m, b power m, like that. A square cosec square theta as well as y square is equals a square cot square theta. Now I have to do subtract it. From equation 1 I am doing subtract it. Then x square nothing but a square cosec square theta, children, minus y square value you have to write as is a square cot square theta. I have to take the common a square from the right side value. Inside value we are getting cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This is the third identity. So that means what is the third identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. You substitute here. So a square 1 a square, nothing but final step x square minus y square is equals a square. Okay na? I told you one idea. You are not doing any answer. By seeing this option, I have to tell you one important point. Here x square equals a cos theta whole square y something there, no? What is the relation between these two? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Minus will get. Here minus will be there. Here plus is there. It's not an option. It's not an option. It is not. This is a perfect option. Got it? Next, the last question. If sin A equals 7 by 25, then cot A. Like these questions are given, you go with first diagram. Diagram. Sin A. Here, for example, ABC. At A theta. Here, this is opposite side. This is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. Here, sin theta 7 by 25. Nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side value? 7. What is the hypotenuse value? 25. By using Pythagorean replace, 25 will be there, no? In similar triangles, I said 25, 7, one more value, 24. This is the 24. Without doing Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Directly you should write. You are getting 24. Then this answer will be very easy. What about cot theta? Cot theta nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. What about adjacent side? 24. What is the opposite side? 7. So 24 by 7. This is the answer. How it is easy? You know the diagram, then everything will be easy. Now let us see one more interesting questions. Now the 7th question will be for you, in front of you. The tan 5, tan 34, tan 85 equals to what is the answer? Now you see children, these two are complementary to each other. 85 plus 5, 90 degree. Means we have to use complementary angle concept. Which means you have to write tan 5 like this. Shall I write like 90 minus 85 into tan 30 into 4 tan 85. Don't change this one. Don't change. Tan of 90 minus theta cot theta. I told you 90, 270 will come, opposite will come. 180, 360 will come, same reflection will come. Tan, sin will come. Okay, here 90, odd number. So tan opposite cot, theta 85. 90 minus theta, ASTC, all silver teacups. A, all positive, plus cot 85, tan 30. Tan 30 value you know very well, 1 by root 3 into 4 here tan 85 beta. These are the values we are getting here. You know tan 85, cot 85 get cancelled because reciprocal to each other. Tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. So both are get cancelled. So 4 1 by 4 by root 3. Root 3. So answer is 4 by root 3. Finish. Okay. Next. Children, tan 85 converted into cot of tan of 90 minus 85, nothing but cot 85. These two are get cancelled. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Here 4. 4 1 is 4 by root 3. This is your answer. Now x tan theta plus y secant theta is equals to P. X secant theta plus y tan theta equals to Q. Then what about? Now this is the concept relation between the identity of secant theta and tan theta. What is the secant theta and tan theta identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Means minus will come. So in this option, where is the minus? Here right side value P, here right side value Q. So Q square minus P square, one idea. And what is the x here y? What is the relationship between x square minus y square? So I told you identity. Based on identity, I am doing direct answer with shortcut. So q square minus p square is equals x square minus y square. Where it is? Q square minus p square, x square plus. It is not. Q square plus. It is not. Square minus p square equals to x square minus y square. This is answer. Next children, if 3 tan a equals to 4, then sin a equals to 3 tan a equals to 4 Very easy. I told you know simple tan ratio will be 4 by 3. Next value we have to follow by 5. The hypotenuse is 5. What is the answer? 4 by 5 is the answer. 4 by 5 is the answer. How do I know? Simple one. Otherwise you do simple small diagram, just 2 seconds. At theta, at A, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. Okay na children? From the question, opposite side value 4. This is 4. Adjacent side value 3. This is the value 5. This is 3, 4, 5. But I want sin A. Sin theta nothing but? Yes, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 4, hypotenuse 5. Just draw the diagram, you will get the answer. If some practice sessions after, you can write the direct answer. From tan theta to you have to write sin theta. Tan theta we are getting 4 by 3. Yes, this is a 4. Opposite side 4. Sin theta also opposite side will be there. So 4 to 4 tally. Yes, this is not a option. This is not a option because 3 will be there. Answer will be these two. Next, 3 will not come. Again 3 will not come. If 4 by 3 will come, means again tan theta. No? He is asking sin theta. It is not an option. Remaining is the option. Like that also we can do it. Next, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. You know tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Substitute by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Here square will be there. Square you write. 2 1 ja 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 square value 1 by root 3 square value 3. Again do the cross multiplication as a denominator here. 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 ja 1, 2 by 3. Again you write 2 by root 3 into reciprocal 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 3 by root 3 actually. Here 3 by root 3 not there because denominator has an irrational number. Do the irrational 2 with root 3. Do the rationalization with root 3. 3 root 3 by root 3. 3 3 get cancelled. Final answer root 3. This is your answer. Okay now? Next. If tan theta minus cot theta equals to 1, then tan square theta cot square theta equals to what? Simple amount. Squaring on both sides. Why should I take squaring on both sides? Because the answering terms are squares. That is the reason I am doing squaring on. So answer will be 3. Direct answer I know that. How I would know this answer I will tell you. Let us see. A minus b whole square. Nothing but a square plus b square minus 2a value tan theta b value cot theta is equals to 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab 1 square value 1. Tan theta cot theta get cancelled because tan reciprocal 1 by cot. Cot reciprocal 1 by 2. Both are get cancelled. Now tan square theta plus cot square theta here minus 2. 1. Minus 2 transfer right side plus 2. 2 plus 1. This answer. How will I? Simple. Tan square theta plus cot square theta is equals minus 2 transfer right side, it becomes to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 nothing but 3. This is the complete answer. But how would I know direct answer? Simple amount. Here minus will be there, no? Minus will be there, no? Tan cot cancel. Here minus 2, here 1 square. 1 square value 1. Minus 2 come outside, plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Like that also you can do it. For suppose, here plus will be there. Minus 1 is the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. Okay? Now, last 5, tan 65, tan 25, tan 2. What is the volume? Okay. Answer may be 1. We have to see. These two are complementary to each other. 85 plus 5, 90. These two are complementary to each other. So you can write like this. Tan 85 children. Dear friends, let us observe. Tan 65, you write as is. Now I am going to change tan 25. Tan 25, shall I write like this? Tan of 90 minus 65. And tan 5 also I can write 90 minus 85. See children. 90 minus 65, what is the 25 will come? 90 minus 85 can be written as 5. So, here by seeing this, tan 85, tan 65, again you can take as it is. What about this value? Yes, all silver teacups, all successive entrance exam, like that. Complementary, tan complementary, odd number, tan, cot will come. Cot theta, theta plus 65. First quadrant plus tan and again cot theta, theta plus 85. Cot 85, tan 85 get cancelled. Tan 65, cot 65 get cancelled. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is the answer. Okay, now children, have you enjoyed this explanation? Now let us see more interesting question for you. Question number 13. If a equals 60, then 3 sin cube a minus 4 sin a equals what? Simple. A given, substitute. That's it. What is 3 into sin cube a? A value sin 60 whole power 3 minus 4 into sin a value 60 upon. You know sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Very good. You know sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Again. Okay. Now you can. I have to split this part 2 like this better. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2. Because power 3 will be there, no? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, now I have to split it. This is the technique you should follow. Now, here 3. Root 3 whole square. 3. 2 square. 4. Now, root 3 by 2 I see, right? Now, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 root 3. Okay, now children. Now, 3 3 ja, 9. 9 root 3 by 8. 2 root 3. Now, do the cross multiplication. Here, 1 into 9 root 3, 9 root 3, 8 to just 16 root 3 by 8. 9 root 3 minus 16 root 3 by 8. Nothing but minus 7 root 3 by 8. Here minus 7 root 3 by 2, here minus 7 root 3 by 8. This is the answer. Okay, sign is very important. Now, children, let us come to this question. A cos theta plus B sin theta equals to P. A sin theta minus B cos theta equals to P. I told you, no, sin cos reciprocal first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So that means here P Q given, that simple amount, P square plus Q square is equals to A square plus B square. Here what is the values? AB. A square plus B square. Direct answer. Sin cos only plus, remaining one negative. That's it. Minus. Sec tan cosec cot given. Here we have to write Q square minus P square, B square minus A square. Okay? But plus is given, sin cos given, that time you can write P square plus Q square is equals A square plus B square. Where is the option? This is your option. Direct answer. Otherwise you can do squaring on both sides, from equation 1 and 2, add it, then you will get same answer. Okay? Now tan alpha equals to 1 by 2, tan beta equals to 1 by root 3, then tan of alpha plus beta. I know sin to A, cos to A, tan to A, the formulas, according to that formula, tan of A plus B formula will be simple beta. Tan of alpha plus beta, nothing but tan A plus tan beta, like that. Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha 1 by 2. Tan beta 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, because same values. Now 3 1 are 3, 2 1 are 2, 5 by 2 3 are 6. I am doing here cross multiplication. 3 1 are 3, 2 1 are 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 3 are 6 by denominator 1 into 1, 1 by 6 amma. Again the denominator do cross multiplication. 6 1 are 6, 1 1 are 1, 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. 6 6 cancel, 5 5 cancel, get the answer 1. 1. But option is 1 is not there. Oh, don't worry, dear children. 1 in tan theta, 1 when will come? 45 degree. Tan 45 1. So answer will be this. How this beauty of this question, amma? Next. Sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, cot 45, cos 60, sec 60. Dear children, you have to observe. Sin 30. Answer is 1. I am telling that I correct answer. How do you know, sir? Simple. Sin 30 value, cos 60 value same. Before that, use this traditional method. Sin 30 1 by 2, tan 45 1, cosec 60 nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 reciprocal 2 by root 3. That is nothing but cosec 60 by cot 45 1 plus cos 60 means sin 30. Sin 30 1 by 2. Next minus sec 60 by root 3. Okay na? So root 3 by 2 cos 30 is reciprocal sec 60. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. Easy. 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 by 2 minus 2. Both are get cancelled. So answer is 1. But I want to say the answer without doing any pen and paper. Direct answer. You see, sin 30 value cos 60 same. Tan 45 cot 40 value same. Cosec 60 reciprocal sec 60 value same. Both are same. So that is the reason all numerator by denominator equal. Answer is 1. 17. If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18, then what is the value of a? Okay, no problem. Complementary angle to each other. Tan 2 is equals to cot of a minus 18. We have to cot, no need to convert it. This one you have to convert it. No, means tan 2a is nothing but cot of 90 minus 2a. We can write like that. That is equals to cot of a minus 18. If cot get cancelled, 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18 we are getting. Now minus 2a transform right side, minus 18 will transfer because it will be change the sign. Here a plus 2a, nothing but 3a. Here this is 198. So a equals to 198 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 6 ja. So a equals to 36. 36 is answer. Now 2 seconds answer. 18 2 ja, 36. Finish. Okay. Next, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 are in AP or GP or harmonic progression. It is in AP or GP. Simple. For example, I have to check it. Tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3. If you multiply these two, these three, we are getting 1. These three you should multiply 1 by root 3 into 1 into root 3, you are getting 1. Maybe it is in GB. What is the GB condition? Geometric progression A2 by A1, A3 by A2. Am I right? A2 1 by A1. Ratio I am doing 1 by root 3. A3 root 3 by 1. This is the reciprocal value 1 into 1 by root 3 reciprocal root 3 by 1 is equals to root 3 by 1 root 3. 1 into root 3 root 3 root 3. Yes. Ratio will be same. Automatically it is in GP. It is not in AP because 1 minus 1 by root 3 value to root 3 minus 1 value both are not equal. It is in GP. Now let us see last two important previous examination question. Question number 19. If sin theta equals 7 by 25, then cosec theta minus cot theta by cosec theta plus cot theta. We have to find the value. Okay. Now if we like these questions are giving, we should follow the logic of right angle triangle. Yes, by using Pythagorean triplets. This is the sine, opposite side. For suppose this is hypotenuse. What about this is 24? Because 7, 24, 25 are the Pythagorean triplet. I told you standard GK is there in your mind. Then in the time of you can write the saving the time that can be useful for other subject. You must save the time by showing your standard GK. From that you are getting 24 amma. This is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. This is very easy. Sine friend cosec theta 7 by 25, nothing but 25 by 7. Got it. But cot theta we want amma. Cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side, 24 by 7. Denominator also same value, so the sign will be changed amma. Sign will be changed. Now like fractions, you know from childhood, like fraction, the denominators are same, like fraction, add the numerators. 7 take the common, 25 minus 24, 1. 7 has the common, 24 plus 29, 25 plus 24, 29. Sorry, 25 plus 24, 49. 7 get cancelled, we are getting numerator by numerator, 1 by 49, finish answer. 1 by 49, right. My dear children, now this is our cos of a plus b equals 1 by 2, sin of a minus b 1 by 2. Yes, cos of a plus b equals cos theta 1 by 2 and we will get amma. Sin of a minus b in sin theta 1 by root 2 when will come amma? Sin 45. Sin, cos cancel. A plus b equals to 60. Here a minus b equals to 45. Clear? Now plus b minus b get cancelled. 2a equals to 105. A equals to 105 of 52.5. 52.5. 52.5. Where is 52.5? No need to do D. Okay, now save the time. So here this is answer. I hope that you have understand. This is the very important previous question solution with a smart style. I explains to you. You can utilize. You have to watch the videos perfect manner and do the practice in description area. Many questions are there like this model. You can practice it and strengthen your subject. All the best and till then practice well. Bye bye children.